What does he do that makes him a good husband? Like, I don't know. He's still here, I guess. He drove tonight. Yeah, okay. You guys should break up. Like, I hadn't thought about whether or not I'm having a good time. I didn't know you could just reconsider in the middle of all this. Anyone else have a husband that they like? Raise your hand. What are yours guys' names?
Paisley.
Paisley?
Caleb.
Caleb and Paisley? You guys are like rich people dogs. Do you want that Paisley or Caleb? Do you want to feed my dog sushi? You can feed my dog sushi if you want. That's all she'll eat. That's adorable. How long you guys been together?
We've been married a year, but together 4 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good. How's it going?
Really well.
Fantastic.
That's great. You seem a little surprised by that. Good. It's good. It's unbelievable.
I haven't cocked it up yet, so that's
Nice. Good. Thank God. And he's a good husband?
Absolutely.
Why?
He just does everything that he can all the time.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah, that's a good answer.
What the fuck? Dude, next time, I'll let you guys stay for the next show. God, we off that.